Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, you learn how to scan photo or document and how to convert it into the PDF. Search Clear Scanner, free document scanner app PDF scanning from the Play Store and download it from the Play Store. Okay. After the download, click on the open button. Then allow the gallery to access it. Open the gallery. Which photo you want to scan or make a PDF, click on that 2 or 3. You can choose many photos like this. Like here, I choose 2 photographs like this. Okay. After this, adjust the photos according to the requirements. After setting the photos or documents, click on the tick button like this. PDF is ready. Select the both and make a PDF. Check out is it correct or not. After that, click on the share button. Then you can share it with anyone. Before this, you can write the name of the document which is required. Write the name of the students. Now the file is ready. Now you can share it on WhatsApp, Gmail, etc. Thanks for watching.